Hey guys, welcome to this video. And guys, we are right now currently staying in Istanbul. We are right now in our hotel, and guys, this is a hotel room tour. So guys, this is my room. We've got 2 rooms, we're probably 5. So guys, this is my room. My dad and my sister are going to be inside this room. So yeah guys, let's go. We'll start off with this little closet wardrobe type. This is where there's also a safe, some pillows. Oh, there's actually some duvets as well, which is very good. There's another where you can put some stuff here. There's also some guys.
Praying mat.
Here is a desk where you can sit down. We've got some things over here. These are some complimentary snacks that our hotel has given to us. What's that? So that's the mini fridge, which is really nice. And this is like a desk area. Yeah, this is a bit of a desk area. We've got our things over here because we just unpacked. So guys, this is the single bed. This is where my sister is going to be sleeping today. This is where my sister's going to be sleeping today, Isa. So this is her bed. And as we move forward, this is the, I think it's a king size or double, quite a large bed. This is where me and my dad are going to sleep. We're going to have to sleep a lot because it's in 2 rooms. So yeah. And guys, this is a TV.
Quite big.
Quite big TV actually.
We'll turn it on and see.
We'll turn it on if it works or not.
Yeah.
So here's the bathroom. The bathroom is a pretty nice bathroom. So here's we come in. This is the sink, quite a large sink. There's a mirror. Hi. Here's the shower, which is quite large, and then here's the toilet and the bin and some towels.
Not a top class, but still alright.
Yeah, guys. This is some is this soap? Shampoo? There's some shampoo. There's some shower gel. Some complimentary stuff.